Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. Slightly different intro today. I will be filming a video with Abby, but I just wanted to say a few words before I started. So if you're watching this sort of as I'm filming, so like sort of, you know, not months down the line, it's all gone a bit mad. Oh my gosh. So I don't know what's happening where you are in terms of like sort of what restrictions are on your lives with the coronavirus, but it's very, very bizarre here in the UK. We've basically closed all schools, we've closed bars, restaurants, clubs, and I've got a feeling that more restrictions are on the way. We're all doing like the social distancing, so at the minute it's just kind of me and the kids in our house. At the minute I've got my lovely Alan, my husband, videoing for me, but he's going away tomorrow and we don't know how long for. So Abby has said, I'll do the filming, Mum. So I thought I'd just say a few words. I'd love to hear what's going on your end where you live. Put it in the comments for me. I want to read it, I want to find out. And I also want to say I'm trying to keep an air of normalcy, so I'm going to try and still post every Wednesday. See how Abby gets on being my new videographer. It should be fun with Bailey as the hair model, my youngest. So yeah, I thought I'd just say a few words before I get going with my video. I hope you guys are well, I hope you're staying safe, and let's get started. Okay, so we're starting the style, guys. We're going to be doing a high pony. Okay, I find the easiest way to do a high pony is to split the hair, so I'll show you that in a minute. I have put a tiny micro crimp through Abby's hair, but that's just to make it easier for me because I'm quite lazy. It's definitely not something that you have to do. So we want high pony. So I'm going to start off by taking my comb from there to there. And for now, I'm just going to place this hair in a bubble to get it out my way. She's such a baby. So the next phase is to scrape all this hair back. And the way I'm going to stop all those flyaways is using the wax spray that I always use. I'll put the link in the description. So quick mist over, guys. Don't go mad with a wax spray because it'll look really greasy. Thanks, Abs. So I'm just taking a little smoothing brush or back combing brush and just brushing all this hair into a nice tight ponytail. And then once you're happy with all that hair, guys, we're just going to pop in a hair elastic or bobble. Do you know how rare it is to find someone like... So release this bottom hair, guys, and now we're going to sort of brush all this up. But because again Abby's hair is so thick, I tend to kind of use my fingers first to direct that hair up. Well, I didn't believe in much till you came along. Oh. Now it's like I write to you in every single song. 'Cause you're clever. And once you're happy with all that hair being swept up, another elastic goes in. Little gentle mist of hairspray, whatever one you like to use. I'm using Redken Extreme High Holds. It's quite a fine hairspray, which I like. Just making sure that that hair stays all nice, fuzz free. Now, this is optional. I'm going to cover up this hairband. I'm going to borrow some hair from underneath here. And we're going to sort of wrap this hair around the hair tie. Now normally it's the top bit that we want all smooth because that's the bit you're going to see. But today it's this underneath bit. So it's this bit here that you're going to see. So normally I kind of pinch it at the back and put an elastic in, but today I'm going to bring it to the front and that's where I'm going to put my elastic. And then as you can see around the back there, we've got a lovely smooth finish. You can't see the elastic. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is a knot with this hair. Now, it takes a few tries, I'm not going to lie, but it looks amazing. I want you to take 2 fingers and a thumb, and you're going to place it kind of like over the ponytail. You're then going to take that ponytail around those fingers and a thumb. You see the fingers and a thumb there? And then this little tail, you're going to grab hold of, yeah? Pull it through, and what you've done is created a little knot. Tighten it up a little bit, like so, okay? Next, we're going to take this little knot, and we're going to fold it down. You see this bit here? That's going to be sitting at the front. So moving that hair down and pulling these side bits around. So we've just created a little chignon. Now I'm just going to secure this in place by just pushing a grip through there. And I'm looking in the mirror now. And I'm just going to start to move this hair where I want it to sit. So just start to pin that really gently to the heads. Every single song, 'cause you're clever and you make me laugh. Oh, never thought I'd find that. Stormy weather, you're my life after. I never thought I'd find that. Do you know how great you make my day now? How even just a smile can turn a sour mood around. And I hope you know I'll never take for granted what we found. Okay, so the style's in. It literally took 5 minutes, which is great. Abby is pleased. I'm going to do a little spin for you so you can see from all angles. Oh. Now it's like I write to you in every single... So that's our lovely little, I think it's like a Cinderella bun. I really like it. I think it suits you smudge. I do. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.